That is the new update of my new hair, my hair as alopecia patient. As you can see the top thumbnail, that is what the hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. Guys, thank you so much friends for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. In today's video, I would like to update my situation, my hair situation at the moment. As you guys, you can see the hair is growing. To grow hair, you really have to have a patience. The most stubborn part of our hair to grow is the hedge. As a alopecia patient, all right, it take me forever to grow that hedge back. My alopecia is very, very crucial. It's very horrible one. So I exercise patience, and you can see it's just growing after for going to 3 months. I have a break. The reason why, guys, I want you to please, if you are alopecia, please stay away from garlic and stay away from all this almighty YouTuber. I use garlic to try to help me, but I end up in the hospital. It really damaged my hair. I should have done a lot of updating, but I have a break because of the garlic. If you're alopecia, please find out about your hair. Find out from your dermatology what can help your hair grow. Well, genetics does play a role in maintaining healthy hair growth. Several other factors also come into play. Although there is no magic potion or remedy that will result in instant growth, there are steps you can take to help hair growth. Avoid restrictive diet. Restrictive diets can decrease resource and nutrients needed for hair growth. Check your protein intake. If your diet is severely restrictive, hair won't grow optimally and shedding can occur. Eating a well-balanced diet with adequate protein intake is important for optimal hair growth. According to the study, caffeine may help promote new hair growth. Explore essential oils. Essential oils not only smell good, but they may also help promote hair growth. Boost your nutrients profile. Specific vitamins, minerals, and fat acids are also important to your overall health and also play a key role in providing your body with the energy needed for hair growth. This including biotin, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, zinc, iron, omega-3 and omega-6. A study found that taking omega-3 and omega-6 supplements for 6 months may help protect hair losses. The first ingredients we're going to be using rosemary. Rosemary can be helped to stimulating scalp circulation and can be used to grow long hair. 1 teaspoon of black seed oil. Black seed tamaqua, a powerful antihistamine. The thing is, antihistamine are often prescribed to patients with alopecia like me to help with hair growth and any tiny spot. So there are ways it can help. So it helps grow out hair and keep it soft. So we need a few 2 to 3 hibiscus. And hibiscus stop hair losses, make your hair look healthy and lustrous, prevent premature gray. We need 1 teaspoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron, 2 essential nutrients for hair growth. So the last ingredient is going to be 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To be honest, it depends the amount of olive oil you really want. The reason why I'm using that amount because I only have a small container. You can use as much as you want, and when you are using a lot of olive oil, you're gonna increase those remedy. So because I just chose to use that bottle and that amount, as long the olive oil is over is as long the olive oil is enough for your remedy. So I'm using olive oil, and olive oil is high in antioxidants contents. Olive oil is high in antioxidants contents, and it helps maintain scalp and hair health. It prevents hair from cell damage and nourishes and conditions the hair at the same time to improve its quality. Massage improves the circulation of blood in the scalp and nourish the hair follicle as well. Share with you to show you step by step. I will be upload different remedy that could help you yourself to grow your hair and your children and your toddler or your daughter. You are going to leave this oil at least 2 weeks in order for you to see consistency. That oil have to turn dark.